Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make strawberry blossom. To begin, you will need a few key ingredients. Start by gathering about 1 pound of fresh, ripe strawberries. You will also need some granulated sugar and fresh lemon juice. Make sure your strawberries are thoroughly washed and hulled before you start. Preparing a simple syrup by dissolving sugar in hot water is also a great first step. Next, let's create the delicious strawberry puree. Hull and slice your 1 pound of fresh strawberries. Place them into a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Then, squeeze in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This brightens the flavor beautifully. Gently mash the mixture with a fork or use a blender to achieve a smooth consistency. Now, it's time to assemble your refreshing strawberry blossom drink. Grab a tall glass and fill it generously with ice cubes to ensure it's perfectly chilled. Pour about 1/4 cup of your freshly made strawberry puree into the glass. Then, top it off with sparkling water or club soda for that wonderful effervescence. Give it a gentle stir to mix all the flavors. To complete your strawberry blossom, add a beautiful garnish. A fresh strawberry slice on the rim or a sprig of mint adds a lovely touch. Serve your drink immediately to enjoy its crisp, bubbly texture and vibrant flavors. For an adult version, you might consider adding a splash of vodka or gin. Enjoy your delightful, homemade strawberry blossom.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.